Have you ever wondered where your bananas come from? Not just the fruit, but the actual plant itself. Well, what if I told you there's a place that can grow millions of banana plants, not from seeds, but from tiny pieces of a single plant? Today, we're going inside a state-of-the-art facility that's revolutionizing agriculture with tissue culture. It all starts with something you'd never expect: the heart of a banana plant, also known as the sucker. From this one sucker, scientists can create a limitless supply of genetically identical, disease-free banana plants. The process begins in a sterile lab where technicians carefully dissect the sucker. They're looking for a specific part called the meristematic tissue. This tiny piece of tissue holds the blueprint for an entire banana plant. It's like finding a master key that can unlock infinite copies. Once extracted, these tiny plant pieces are placed into a special, gel-like medium inside sterile jars. This isn't just any jelly. It's a nutrient-rich cocktail packed with everything a baby plant needs to grow: vitamins, minerals, and plant hormones. These hormones are the secret sauce, encouraging the cells to multiply rapidly. The jars are then moved to a growth room where conditions are perfectly controlled. We're talking precise temperature, humidity, and a 16-hour light cycle to simulate ideal daylight. In this perfect environment, something amazing happens. The small tissue fragments begin to multiply, forming a cluster of shoots. This is the multiplication stage. A single piece of tissue can sprout into 15 to 20 new shoots. Technicians then carefully separate these new shoots and place them into fresh jars of nutrient medium. This process is repeated every few weeks. Do you see where this is going? It's exponential growth. From one tiny piece, they can generate thousands and then millions of potential banana plants. After about 4 or 5 multiplication cycles, the clusters of shoots are ready for the next phase. The goal now is to encourage them to develop roots and become individual plantlets. To do this, they are transferred to a different kind of growth medium. This new formula has a different balance of hormones specifically designed to promote root formation. It's like telling the plant, "Okay, you've multiplied enough. Now it's time to grow down and get ready for the real world." Once the plantlets have developed a healthy root system, they're still not ready for a massive field. They've spent their entire lives in a sterile, perfect bubble. They need to be gradually acclimated to the outside world. This is called hardening. First, the plantlets are taken out of their jars. Their roots are washed clean of the gel medium, and they're planted in small trays filled with a sterile potting mix, often coco peat. These trays are then moved to a greenhouse. But this isn't just any greenhouse. It's a controlled environment. Initially, the humidity is kept very high, around 90%, mimicking the cozy jar they came from. Gradually, over several weeks, the humidity is lowered and the plantlets are exposed to more natural sunlight. This process strengthens them, preparing their leaves and roots for the less forgiving conditions of a farm. It's like a training boot camp for baby plants. After about 8 weeks in the greenhouse, the plantlets have transformed into sturdy, young banana plants. They are now fully hardened and ready for shipping. They are carefully packed into crates and sent off to farmers all over the country and even the world. The benefits for farmers are huge. They receive uniform, high-yielding, and completely disease-free plants. This eliminates many of the risks associated with traditional farming, where diseases can wipe out an entire crop. But why go through all this trouble? Why not just plant banana seeds? Well, most commercially grown bananas, like the Cavendish variety you buy in the store, don't produce viable seeds. They are sterile. So, farmers traditionally had to rely on taking suckers from existing plants, which is slow, and risks spreading diseases like Panama disease, which has devastated banana plantations globally. Tissue culture bypasses these problems entirely, and it's not just bananas. This technology is used for a huge variety of crops, from potatoes and strawberries to ornamental flowers and forestry trees. It allows for the rapid mass production of elite plant varieties, helping to ensure food security and improve agricultural productivity around the world. It's a perfect blend of nature and science. The next time you peel a banana, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it might have taken. It may have started its life not in the soil, but as a tiny speck of tissue in a sterile jar, part of a massive, modern factory that's cloning millions of plants to feed the world. From a lab to your lunchbox, it's a fascinating process that shows just how far agricultural technology has come. This factory is a testament to human ingenuity, solving age-old farming problems with cutting-edge science. It ensures that farmers get a reliable start for their crops, and that we all have access to one of the world's most popular fruits. It's truly farming for the 21st century. Thanks for watching. If you found this as fascinating as I did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the amazing world of modern production. See you next time. Ever wondered where banana plants come from? Not from seeds, but from a high-tech lab just like this one. Welcome to the futuristic world of banana plant production. It all starts with a tiny piece of a healthy banana plant called an explant. In this super sterile environment, scientists place these tiny tissue samples into a special nutrient-rich gel. Think of it as a 5-star hotel for baby banana plants. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing factory tours.